right, friends, for your pumpkins, when you pick your colors, you are going to pick analogous colors. So you're going to get a color worksheet that looks like this. And when you pick your markers, you need to pick colors that are next to each other or neighbors on the color wheel. So if you want your pumpkin to be orange, then next to that would be yellow, orange, or yellow, or red, orange, and red. So you could pick any of these colors that are neighbors of those colors. So this color wheel will help you find your analogous colors today. And you can pick up to 3, possibly 4. It just depends on which markers you pick, which would be close to them. So if you pick red, then you should not have green as your analogous colors. Those are not neighbors. They are not close enough to each other. So if you picked red, then you might have red, orange, or you might have pink or purple. Those would be analogous colors, colors that are next to each other or neighbors on the color wheel. Those are the ones that you would pick for your pumpkin. And here are some examples on your worksheet. So you can pick 3 or 4 markers that are analogous colors for your pumpkin. Once you have your analogous colors picked, then you're going to start adding them to your piece of aluminum foil. So you just take your marker and you're just going to color in sections. So I'm using my markers that I picked, and I'm going to color in most of the middle areas of my aluminum foil. It doesn't really matter where. You can kind of do it in all sorts of areas. So use one color, go to another different color. Try not to go on top of the colors. For instance, if you did a red or an orange and then you're doing a yellow, I wouldn't take the yellow marker and go on top of the red or the orange because that would mess up the yellow, but you can do it next to it. So I'm just adding in little bits of red, orange, and yellow all over the aluminum foil. Once you've covered up most of the area that you think your pumpkin would be covered in, then raise your hand and let me know. I will come spray your aluminum foil with water. I will mist it with water. Once I have misted it with water, then you are going to take your pumpkin, put it on top, and gently press and rub it. You may accidentally smear some marker on the top of it, but that's okay. Press and gently rub it, and then pull your pumpkin off, and now you will have a print of the color transferred from the aluminum to your pumpkin. And this is what it should look like when you're done. You're going to take this and your messy mat and put it on the drying rack.